become future stars. Chapter 6. Some unique places. Let's learn together. Know India's natural beauty and special places. Learn how people protect nature. Understand why saving plants and animals is important. India is a land of great natural beauty and variety. Different regions have special features like forests, islands, hills, rivers, and unique animals and plants. People in these areas live close to nature and follow traditions that protect their surroundings. Each place has something different and special to offer. Exploring them helps us understand how nature and people are connected and why we must care for these wonderful places. Islands of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are home to dense tropical rainforests and a variety of rare plant and animal species. Some trees and birds, such as the Andaman wood pigeon and Andaman hornbill, are found only in these islands. The forests support a wide range of butterflies, insects, and other animals. The islands are also known for their rich marine life. Coral reefs found here provide shelter to many sea creatures. Institutions like the Marine Interpretation Center help people understand the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. A unique feature of the islands is the presence of indigenous communities like the people of North Sentinel Island, who live close to nature and follow ancient ways of life. These people have developed deep knowledge of their environment, which has helped them survive natural disasters like tsunamis. The Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. It is located in the Delta region where the Ganga meets the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. The land here is muddy and salty, and special trees called mangroves grow in this environment. The roots of these trees rise above the ground and help them breathe in waterlogged soil. Mangroves are important because their roots prevent soil erosion and protect coastal regions from storms and floods. The forest is also home to many species of fish, birds, and animals. Local communities live near the forest and use its resources responsibly, maintaining a close relationship with nature for generations. Northeast India, a region of natural and cultural richness. The northeastern part of India includes 8 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and Sikkim. This region is known for its green hills, rich biodiversity, and vibrant cultural traditions. People in this region practice sustainable lifestyles that are closely linked with forests and rivers. The region is famous for traditional crafts, weaving, music, and festivals. Conservation efforts are also strong. For example, local communities are working together to protect rare birds like the greater adjutant stork, Hargila, and maintain the living root bridges in Meghalaya, which are made from the roots of trees across streams. Amazing facts. Bhoot Jolokia, also known as the ghost pepper, is one of the hottest chili peppers in the world. It is cultivated in northeast India and is popularly used in pickles and chutneys. Interestingly, it is also used as a natural deterrent to keep elephants away from crops. Western Ghats, a natural treasure. The Western Ghats is a mountain range running along the western coast of India. It is one of the 8 hottest hotspots of biodiversity in the world. The region is home to thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else. Animals like the lion-tailed macaque and birds like the Malabar hornbill are only seen in the Western Ghats. The forests here are a source of many medicinal plants and herbs. Several rivers such as the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri also begin in these hills. Many tribal and forest-dwelling communities live in this region and rely on the forest for food, medicine, and income. Conservation and research are also strong here, with local people and students identifying and documenting different fruits such as mango, jackfruit, and jamun. The Western Ghats also include the Silent Valley National Park in Kerala. This is a protected rainforest that was saved by public effort when a dam project was cancelled to protect the natural habitat. It is a great example of how people can come together to protect nature. Amazing facts. Protected areas are special zones such as forests, rivers, or hills that the government safeguards to protect wildlife, plants, and the natural environment. In these places, cutting trees or harming animals is strictly prohibited. The Western Ghats alone have more than 50 protected sites, including wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and tiger reserves. These areas play a vital role in conserving rare species like the lion-tailed macaque, tiger, elephant, and hornbill, while also preserving the health of forests and rivers. Kanyakumari, southernmost point of mainland India. Kanyakumari is at the southern tip of India. Three seas meet here: the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. This place is famous for its sunrise and sunset. It is also known for its temples and peaceful beauty. Many people visit Kanyakumari to enjoy nature and learn about its culture. People visit Kanyakumari not only to enjoy the natural beauty but also to learn about local traditions, festivals, and handicrafts. The coastline is dotted with small islands, rocky shores, and sandy beaches, which are home to many birds and marine creatures. Fishermen can be seen going out to sea in colorful boats early in the morning. Kanyakumari also has statues and memorials, like the famous Vivekanand Rock Memorial, which stand as symbols of India's rich history and spiritual heritage. The gentle waves, cool breeze, and scenic views make it a perfect place for nature lovers, photographers, and students learning about geography and culture. Why these places matter? These places are very special because they are full of different kinds of plants, animals, birds, and insects. Some of them are not found anywhere else in the world. That is why we call them biodiversity hotspots. People in these regions live close to nature. They use natural things wisely and help protect the forests, rivers, and animals. They follow traditional ways and also learn new methods to take care of the environment. These places teach us nature is full of amazing things. We must take care of it. Every region has its own culture, people, and natural beauty. People and nature need each other to live happily. It is our duty to learn about nature and protect it for the future. Protecting nature also means protecting our own health and life. When we save forests and animals, we make the earth a better place for all. Caring for wildlife and forests. Forests and wildlife are not just beautiful, they are essential for life on earth. Animals and plants in these regions help maintain the balance of nature. Forests clean the air we breathe, rivers provide water, and animals help in pollination and seed dispersal. Many communities in these unique places live in harmony with nature, taking only what they need and protecting endangered species. Schools and local groups often organize awareness drives, tree planting activities, and wildlife protection campaigns to teach children and adults the importance of conserving nature. Ecotourism, learning while traveling. Visiting these special places responsibly can help people understand nature better. Ecotourism allows people to explore forests, islands, and hills without harming the environment. Tourists learn about local traditions, wildlife, and plants, while communities earn a livelihood through guiding, handicrafts, and hospitality. Practices like avoiding litter, staying on marked paths, and respecting animals ensure that tourism does not damage these fragile ecosystems. Community efforts for conservation. Many local people and organizations play a big role in protecting unique regions. In the Sundarbans, villagers plant mangrove saplings to prevent soil erosion. In the Western Ghats, students and volunteers monitor rare species and keep records of wildlife. Coastal communities in Andaman and Nicobar work to keep beaches clean and protect coral reefs. People also organize tree planting drives and awareness campaigns to teach others about conservation. Schools and local groups take part in cleaning rivers and public places. These efforts show how humans and nature can live together peacefully when everyone takes responsibility. Recap. Point India has many beautiful natural regions with forests, rivers, and unique animals. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have rare birds, dense forests, and rich marine life. The Sundarbans is the world's largest mangrove forest, protecting land and wildlife. Northeast India is rich in culture and nature, with strong community conservation efforts. Kanyakumari is a scenic coastal town with islands, beaches, rich wildlife, and famous memorials, making it ideal for nature lovers and learners. Caring for forests and wildlife helps maintain nature's balance and teaches everyone the importance of conservation. Ecotourism lets people learn about nature and local culture while protecting the environment and supporting communities. Word search. Biodiversity. The variety of plants, animals, and other living things in a region. Mangroves. Special trees that grow in salty, muddy areas near the sea. Indigenous. The original people living in a place, often following old traditions. Conservation. The act of protecting and caring for nature and its resources. Like, share, and subscribe.